Man, it's been a good minute since I picked this camera up. I'm not gonna lie, it feels a little strange, but at the same time, it feels so good to be back. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. For those of you guys that might be new, my name is Lewis, and if you're not already subscribed, what are you guys doing? Scroll down, hit that big red subscribe button. Let's get your boy to 2,000 subscribers. We are so close. But what's up, guys? How have you all been? It's been, I think, I don't know, almost 3 weeks since I have picked the camera up. The reason for it, I've just been going crazy on the G35, so I do apologize, but hopefully you guys could forgive me. I really just wanted to knock all the body work out. There's so much going into it. I didn't want to bore you guys with too much body work, so I wanted to get as much done as possible and then jump to the more exciting things. So in today's video, we're going to be revealing the new kit on the G35, and this is not everything. There's more to come, but I'm going to save another part for another video. But there has been changes done to the car, so we're going to go over pretty much everything in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, smash that thumbs up. Let's get into it. Alright, bros, you ready for this? It's not done yet, so bear with me, but let's check it out. The last time you guys saw this, she's looked quite a bit different, but you guys sort of knew what was coming. So let's go ahead and get her pulled out. Well, guys, there she is. Oh my god, honestly, guys, I love it. It's really starting to come together. I've been staring at it now for about a week, so let me go ahead and finally show you guys the new look of the car, and there has been changes. I'll go over everything with you for the most part in this video, so I hope you guys like it. Let's check her out. So there she is, guys. So as you can see, the kit is on. The rear lip is on, side skirts are on, front is for the most part done. Well, you guys already actually saw all of that, but the kit is pretty much done. It's been body work and reshaped, and a lot of stuff went into it. If you guys remember, on this side, or actually on both sides, right here and right here, I had these two wooden plank thingies that I was gonna screw the actual side skirt into. As you can see, well, you can't see because it's covering it, but that wood is actually gone, and I body worked it a lot nicer. So instead of it coming up and kind of having like that angle like that right here, that's gone and it's just flat now. So this still needs to be body worked a little bit, and then it'll actually push in a little bit more. Same thing on the other side, and then on the bottom I do have reinforcement, but we do have to make and adjust these back ones right here just to get the fitment dialed in. But that's looking great. Oh man, look at that. It's all molded in, not 100% done yet, but as you can see, we are all molded. We still do have a little bit of work there. Same thing right here, a little bit of work. But as you guys can see, the kit is finally on. So I actually dialed in the ride height a little bit. I wish I could have played with it a little bit more, but this is the best that I can get it to be at. So for the front, we are not fender to lip anymore. I raised it up, and now we have about a finger gap, which is good. So when I air out, it does not hit the frame, the exhaust, the side skirt, nothing. It airs out very smooth. And then the rear, same thing. It does not hit the side skirt, and then we have this much gap. But I plan on either getting some more aggressive 18-inch wheels or 19s, and we'll fill all of that up. But that's one other thing I went ahead and did, mainly for the side skirts. I really don't want to wreck those, and it still sits quite low. Guys, so now to the driver's side. I went ahead and made quite a big change, and like I said, I think you guys are gonna love it. I absolutely love it. It looks hell of aggressive, and definitely I have not seen any other G35 with this, and it's gonna look sick. But this just made the kit, the rear kit, that much more of a one of one. When I already had shaved the exhaust hole, put the third brake light, that already made it a 1 of 1. Molding it on and doing the other things that I did just made it that much more unique. But enough talking, let me show you what I did. So as you guys remember, I shaved this exhaust hole so there's no exhaust hole. We got the third brake light. Now you may be wondering already, wait, I thought it was wrapped. Yes, it was. All of that's gone. The reason for it, I went ahead and shaved this exhaust hole too. Now you might be wondering, why would you do that? Let me show you, boys. Because side exit exhaust, that's why. I went ahead and got this bracket made. This is for a turbo dump or you know, out the fender. Had to bend it, tweak it a little bit. I want to try to clean it up because actually it's pretty clean, but it's gonna need a little bit cleaning up. But it hugs it super tight. There's no gapping or anything, and it's fully bolted in. I plan on doing the hardware black. You guys can let me know what you think. But side exhaust, let me just say, a lot of work, guys. A lot of the OEM bumper and other stuff, such as the tow hook, all had to be cut out, clearanced, all of it. But it looks really good. Now, I would ask you guys for some help on this, but by the time this video is up, I'm already gonna be getting the exhaust done. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys the two options. You could still comment down below and let me know which one you guys think, but by the time you're watching this, most likely I'm already getting the exhaust done. So let me show you real quick. So as of, or actually, yeah, let's rewind. The white pipe broke, not at the welds, it completely snapped. The piece that's welded up here, how it goes into single, that is still welded onto the car. This piece completely snapped, so I had to rip all of the white pipe off. Therefore, technically, the car is single exhaust. And let me just say, with this being gone, it's not raspy. It sounds deeper, it sounds a lot nicer. So, a little quieter, but I love it. So that got me thinking, do I really want to throw on a muffler, which will sound great, also 3-inch into that, or no muffler, and because I love how it sounds, just throw on back on one of these. I'm going to clean them up, of course, if I decide to go this route. But let's go ahead and show you guys an idea of how it'll look. Alright guys, you ready for this? It looks really good, and there's different ways of doing it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I can have it pretty much come straight out or crooked a little bit, which is what I think I'm gonna end up doing. And it is gonna stick out a little bit, but check that out, guys. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna have it that much, of course, but an idea of how it's gonna look. If you guys like this, make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe, because you guys are not going to want to miss when this is done. So let me try to show you the best that I can. So as you can see, it's right there. So it literally has to just go from right there, right to there. So not all of that much piping has to be added. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the 3-inch into the muffler or keep it just like that, because as of right now, guys, it has test pipes to the ultra quiet, vibrate ultra quiet resonator, and then out to there, or add a muffler. I don't know. It sounds really good, but you guys will be finding out in the next video. Actually, the next 2 videos are going to be exhaust videos. The next one is gonna be how to make your G35/350Z pop extremely loud. I know a lot of you guys have been wanting that, and I apologize. Like I said, the kit has just been taking so much work, but that's going to be the next video, and then the video after that is going to be the exhaust video, where you guys will find out if I'm running the tip or the muffler. So like I said, guys, there is still another addition to the car. I was going to sort of reveal it in this video, but I'm not. But there is going to be another addition, so stay tuned after the exhaust videos. Plus, I still want to make LS400 videos, so a lot of content that has to be created. Bear with me. So much work in this and the LS, so just bear with me on all of the videos. And again, sorry for the lag. I've been going ham on this, and it's just been taking up so much time. But back to the point, there is still another addition to the car just to make it look that much more unique. But comment down below, let me know, what do you guys think? I love it. But anyways guys, let me know what you think. Before I do close this video out, I want to show you guys something that my girlfriend got for me on our anniversary that blew my mind, and I am so grateful for it, guys. So grateful, so thankful. Absolutely love you, babe. Thank you so much for this. It's really gonna help the channel out, especially for the exhaust videos. Let me show you guys real quick what she got me. So my girlfriend ended up surprising me for our 4-year anniversary with this GoPro Hero 7 Black that I'm just like, oh my god. I've wanted, guys, a GoPro for so long, and we have one. Let me try to show you real quick. I'm still learning it. Oh, it needs an SD card, but I'm still learning how it works and whatnot. But so this is awesome, guys. Freaking awesome. And it came with this case, which I'm gonna end up buying more cases, the suction cup kind, so we can do some exhaust videos and actually, you know, mount this pointing at the exhaust so we can get some of those louder pops, and who knows, maybe film it at night and see if we can get some flame action, which I have shot a couple flames before, but it's hard to capture. Never have anybody to film for me, so this right here is really going to help me with that and make some more you know, exciting content, I think. And with this, we can also do some ride-alongs if you guys are up for that video. Just a nice cruising video and just having some fun. So super happy for this. Stay tuned. We're going to be getting some more accessories for this. I believe this weekend I want, like I said, the mount. I want a mic and everything, but you know, some of the stuff is pretty expensive, but so freaking excited for this. Thank you so much, babe. Really, really do appreciate this a lot. This little booger ran away the other day, didn't you? Yeah, you ran away, huh? This guy ran away on us, was missing for an hour, had a nice little field trip, huh? Didn't you? Yeah, we thought we weren't gonna get you back, you little brat. Don't scare me like that again. Anyways, guys, that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off. I know it was fairly short, but it was more of an update and showing you guys finally the car complete. It's been a long time coming, but it's really getting there. It still needs quite a bit of work, but it's really, really getting there, especially this exhaust, this whole rear end. Super coming together. I'm absolutely in love with it. That third brake light is badass, guys. You guys will see all of that lit up in my next video when I show you how to do the pops, because I actually filmed that a couple weeks ago. So you guys are going to see how that whole thing looks lit up, but we still got to get pretty much all of that wrapped, and you know, some of the other stuff I went ahead and showed you guys. But hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Absolutely unreal. Thank you all so much, and welcome to all of the new subscribers. Stay tuned. You guys aren't going to want to miss it. Once the kit and whatnot is for the most part done, we're going to be jumping into some air ride stuff, some interior stuff, and yeah, just stay tuned, guys. I hope to catch you all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to try and be more consistent like I used to with the videos. Please just bear with me, and I hope to catch you all there. And until then, as always, peace out.